Hey, did you ever wonder how the people of Hampton Roads traverse all the rivers and bays at the same time the aircraft carriers come from sea to port? Doesn't work, right? So what we did is build bridge tunnels. That's right, you go across the river, go underneath the river, and then back up, while at the same time the aircraft carriers go right above you. It's called bridge tunnels, and today we're going to go see the top 5 bridge tunnels in Hampton Roads. This is Shel Shows Off Hampton Roads Bridge and Tunnel Edition. Let's roll.
Featuring 4.6 miles of bridges, trestles, man-made islands, and tunnels, the Monitor Merrimack Bridge Tunnel is a 4-lane bridge tunnel connecting Newport News on the Virginia Peninsula and Suffolk and Southampton Roads. Crossing the southern branch of the Elizabeth River, the downtown tunnel links the cities of Portsmouth, Virginia, and Norfolk, Virginia. Completed in 1962 as a supplement to the downtown tunnel, the Midtown Tunnel also crosses the southern branch of the Elizabeth River to connect Portsmouth and Norfolk. Nestled under the main shipping channels of southeastern Virginia, the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel connects Norfolk and Hampton with 3.5 miles of bridges, tunnels, trestles, and man-made islands. Connecting Virginia Beach with Virginia's eastern shore and spanning a whopping 17.6 miles, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel features 4 lanes, 2 tunnels, and 1 wetland island.